As a tech vlogger and blogger and admitted beauty gadget junkie, I'm already familiar with Foreo. I've had the good fortune to be able to review several of their gadgets and beauty devices over the last couple of years. This time though, I've been convinced to try out a variety of Foreo gadgets as a team. My skincare concerns are probably a lot like most of yours. Puffy face from too much work and late nights and past sun damage. The company has suggested I take on a 3-step, 6-minute beauty routine and see what the results are like, and I'd like to thank Foreo for sponsoring this post since it does help me keep the blog and the YouTube channel running. In this post, I'll show you my new routine. I'll take a look at each of the gadgets that I'll be using and what they're designed to do, and I'll talk about how using them feels and ultimately if I see results. My new skincare routine consists of 3 Foreo devices: the new LUNA3 facial cleansing brush, the BEAR Microcurrent facial toner, and the UFO2 mask treatment device. An early heads up, if you end up liking this video and finding it helpful, to please hit that like button and consider becoming a subscriber. Both those things do help me keep making more videos that I hope everyone out there can watch, enjoy, and learn from. We're going to take a look at what each one of these does in just a second, but first I'm going to talk about my routine and how to use them together. Now, Foreo recommends you use these devices in this order. You're going to start by cleansing with the LUNA3 here. Then you will follow up with a microcurrent treatment from the Foreo BEAR, and finally a smart mask treatment, there it is, using the UFO2, and that's going to add nutrients and hydration and lock in all the benefits. Now from there you can do your regular skincare routine and your makeup steps. The whole Foreo skincare regimen takes just about 6 minutes. Now let's dig deeper to see what each of these devices does and how to use it. Foreo LUNA3 is a smart, connected, pulsating soft silicone facial cleansing brush that allows you to gently remove dirt and residue that can trigger breakouts using Foreo's T-sonic pulsations. Using the app, you can customize your cleaning and you can even use your own favorite cleanser with it. The soft silicone bristles are gentle on the skin and it cleans and exfoliates without harshly scrubbing. The different angles on the brush easily get into all the areas of your face, and the pulsations that accompany the cleaning programs are gentle. Just move the brush over your face in a circular motion until the timer stops it. I've been using a Luna brush for a few years now, and I love how it makes my skin feel. It easily cleans off makeup, removes things like sunscreen residue, dirt, sweat, dead skin cells, and more. My face feels cleaner, softer, and the exfoliation gives me a really nice glow. Let's take a look at step 2, and that's the Foreo BEAR. BEAR is a microcurrent facial toning device that uses tiny, almost imperceptible electric shocks to tone, wake up, and improve your skin and the 65+ muscles in the face and neck. It's one of the strongest powered at-home devices, and it has a built-in anti-shock system. This device also uses Foreo's T-sonic pulsations, a mode meant to increase circulation, eliminate toxins, and ease facial tension, and that should result in a smoother, softer, glowier complexion. In short, the promise is a 2-minute workout for your face. Here, you'll also use the Foreo app to guide your workouts, and the BEAR must be used with a conductive serum or gel, which I have here, or a cream such as Foreo's Hydrating Serum. To learn more about how to safely use your BEAR device, you can actually check out my full video right here on the channel. I did notice a slight lifting in my face, not like a facelift, but more that my skin looked lighter, brighter, and somehow firmer, and kind of like I've had a really good night's rest. The final step in my new routine is the Foreo UFO2 smart mask device. UFO is a puck-shaped device that uses colored LED light plus thermotherapy or heat therapy and cryotherapy, which is cold therapy, plus T-sonic pulsations, along with special individually wrapped single-use mask pads that clip into the device. Different color light wavelengths have different skin benefits. If you want to get into detail, check out my full review of the UFO2 right here on the channel. Meanwhile, the warmth helps the mask essences penetrate while the cool depuffs your skin. Using the app, you can choose some of the preset treatments which select light color and warmth or cool for you, or you can even make your own custom options too. Choose your mask and the app will do the work delivering light, temperature, and T-sonic pulsations while your skin absorbs the mask essences. The UFO2 glides over the skin and the warming or cooling is very noticeable. Afterwards, my skin feels soft, smooth, and hydrated, and it's a nice silky base to apply the rest of my skincare routine and then my makeup. So to the big question you all want to know, did I see results? Overall, I've really enjoyed my new regimen. I've been using my Luna already for about a year now and I love it. It definitely helps deep clean my face, and ever since I started, I noticed cleaner skin and fewer breakouts. Adding in the Foreo BEAR device here does help my skin look perkier, I'll say, and I do notice a slight lift and a more firmer look and feel after I use it, and it does get better with regular use. The UFO mask here and these daily treatments are a luxurious addition to my beauty routine, and the whole process is actually a really nice way to ease into or out of my day. I can definitely recommend the Foreo 3-step 6-minute routine if you're looking to improve your skin as well. You can find the full range of Foreo beauty products and current pricing at foreo.com. If you want to read this review or reference any of what I've talked about here, head over to techgadgetscanada.com for a full write-up. There you can ask me any questions you have about these devices. You can also post them here in comments below. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Erin. Until the next time, you can find me on either Twitter or Instagram. I'm at Erin LYYC. You can also always catch me on Facebook at facebook.com/techgadgetscanada.